Hi guys, this is a hand deprimer from Frankford Arsenal. It's already open, but I want to show you the box. You can deprime, cases in 4 easy steps. I have here like 6.5 grit more empty case. I'm gonna deprime it. I have more over here. It's so easy to do it. You can do a lot of them non-stop. As you see over here, you insert the case into the gun, you set it up, deprime, and the primer goes into this. You can collect all the primers in this transparent tube. So let me open this. I'm gonna show you how it works. All right. Okay. In the tube there are three different case sets. You see over here, 1, 2, and the other one is already on here. Okay. We have a small one, a medium, and a magnum. The small one is for 0.223 rem. The medium is for 0.308 Winchester 3006, and the magnum is for magnum. It's so easy to do it. Right. So I have to use for this 6.5 grit more over here. I'm gonna use the medium one. I have already the small one because I deprimed some 9mm empty cases. Oh, I think this one is the good. This one's good. See? It's out. It's so easy. A little bit of pressure on the trigger and that's it. So I'm gonna put the tube again over here. Taking out the case. I'm gonna use another case. You see? Taking out the case. Another one. Boom. So easy, guys. But if you have to deprime like a lot of cases, like 500 and 1000, eventually you're gonna get bubbles in your hand. You gotta take it easy. It's so easy to do it. And you can go fast, In a few seconds, I already did like 10 of them. Right, so you see all the primers? Everything is in here. I'm taking this off. That's it. So I strongly recommend to get this Deprimer from Frankford Arsenal. So easy to use, so easy, and so fast. You can replace from small to medium and magnum set. Everything's so easy. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching.